Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency investing and exploring strategies to navigate the current market landscape. Hey everyone, it's here. And in today's video, we're going to discuss how to approach investing in cryptocurrencies in light of recent market actions. With volatility on the rise and new developments shaping the crypto landscape, it's more important than ever to have a solid investment strategy. As we've seen in recent weeks, the crypto market can be incredibly dynamic and unpredictable. From regulatory news to technological advancements, various factors can influence the price movements of cryptocurrencies. So, how can investors navigate this ever-changing landscape and make informed decisions? Let's dive into some key strategies. First up, fundamental analysis. This involves evaluating the underlying fundamentals of a cryptocurrency, such as its technology, team, use case, and adoption. By conducting thorough research and understanding the fundamentals, investors can identify promising projects with long-term potential. Next, technical analysis. This involves analyzing price charts and patterns to identify trends and potential entry and exit points. Technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD can help investors make informed decisions based on market sentiment and momentum. Another crucial aspect of crypto investing is risk management. Given the volatility of the market, it's essential to manage risk effectively by diversifying your portfolio, setting stop-loss orders, and avoiding over-leveraging. This helps protect your capital and minimize losses during market downturns. Finally, maintaining a long-term perspective. While short-term price movements can be influenced by market sentiment and speculation, focusing on the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies can help investors weather market fluctuations and stay committed to their investment thesis. In conclusion, navigating the crypto market requires a combination of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, and a long-term perspective. By staying informed, conducting thorough research, and following a disciplined approach, investors can position themselves for success in today's dynamic market. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and strategies on crypto investing. Until next time.